ni gavashia mwanya ne kunyitana na ive muvenye wa umuve ne gavo wa tidia vayo ona ive mwenoyo twa tidia vayo ari tariki 14 mwezi wa gatano mwaka wa 2026 jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru na ke mwavleri na njira ya shiko etagwo Maureen wa boy na riu reke tukirika mohoro-ini wetu ma muthenya wa umuthi kigomano kia gatandatu kia atongoria atumia ne kiambiriria kaunti ya Isiolo na kiria kirehete hamwe atumia atongoria 83 na aria mavuritwo kurugamirira bodi tiganite thiini wa bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Uganda. Murugamiri munene wa tafari tiganite cia gibũrũri Betty Mutua atogiritie atumia ni kwitikia kwao na kwarahuka na kuihuria mathenya ma utongoria na maria hau gabere meshiragirio ni marume.
My name is Betty Mutua. I work for Conservation International as a project manager, and today we are holding the 6th Women's Summit that we do in collaboration with NRT. And for the last 5 years, we have been bringing women from various conservancies supported by NRT to come and tell their stories, their representation in the conservancies, their leadership journey from where they started to where they are right now. And so far we have seen that women are holding positions in conservancies. We have 4 women managers as conservancies. We're having women sitting in boards when it comes to carbon credit. And we've seen the impact and the impact of having women in these spaces. And we hope that after this summit, we will see an impact where we will see women going back to their conservancies and doing what you have talked about.
Ukiangalia katika miaka zilizopita hadi 2011 tulikuwa na mwanamke mmoja kwa Council of Elders ambaye alichaguliwa tu kukua katika board. Na wakati mwingi wanawake hata wakati tunatumia ile affirmative action ama ile adhadi ambayo ni ya serikali, ilikuwa wanawake wananominatiwa kuliko hata kuwa elected. Na sasa tulikuwa tunataka kutumia nafasi ya uongozi kufundisha wamama kwamba tusiongoje kupatiwa spaces ama tusiongoje kuitwa kukua kwa decision making table. Ndio maana tukaleta wamama pamoja na tuweze kuzungumzia mbinu ambazo tunaweza fanya wamama wakue katika ile sauti ambayo inafanya uamuzi katika conservancies zetu.
Sisi kama wamama mbeleni tulikuwa chini, na kupitia elimu sisi tumefunzwa, tumejua kama sisi wamama inatosha kuongoza community kwa njia yoyote tofauti. Sababu mbeleni sisi kama wamama tulikuwa chini, hata kuamka kuongelea mambo ya community, ikitaka kuongelea lazima kama wasea kwa hapo hawezi kupatia nafasi. Lakini kupitia elimu, kupitia conservancy tumeelimishwa vile utakuwa kiongozi ya community. Na saa hii kama mimi ni board member na bado nasimamia peace committee, na elimisha hata wa vijana vile yataendelesha maisha yao kupitia amani, kwa sababu kama hatuna amani hatuwezi endelea kama wafugaji. Na kwa ndani ya wafugaji kama hatuna kiongozi ya wamama, bado sisi kama wafugaji tuko chini. Nafurahia sisi kama community saa hii hatuko vile kama zamani tulikuwa.
Tiga na icio cige kigomano kia atumia mwena cio wa Isiolo tuthie na mbere kaunti ya Wajir. Maabitha a thirikari nene magitongorio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry ya ugitiri Raymond Omoro na gavana wa Wajir gatagati-ini ka atongoria angi ni mekinyitie kaunti ya Wajir guthurima mehaririria ma madaraka na maria magatafanirio kaunti niyo tariki 1 mweri ukite. Rita ria mbere gutafanirio kaunti niyo muige wa kaunti na angi kuma kaunti marigainie ni moritio ukeyumiria na namba nene gukungwira mabura macio.
We are here in Wajir at the stadium with the team from the national government, the team that has the responsibility to spearhead the preparations for the national celebrations. As you know, we'll be having our Madaraka Day celebrations on the 1st of June here in Wajir, hosted by the county government. I'm here with the governor of Wajir, together with my PS colleague, PS Umi, in charge of culture, who also comes from this county. We have this morning done an assessment of the progress of the preparations, and we are happy that the progress is good. We are at 84%. We expect that by between the 20th and 25th, most of the works would have been accomplished. So I know you can see already there is the former parade doing the team doing the rehearsals as part of these preparations. We will be able to share with you the schedule of a set of activities that will be happening 1 week to the celebrations. We have the thematic week which begins on the 25th all the way to the 31st at one of the local primary schools here with a focus on education, youth, as well as the future. And besides that, of course, there's work that is going on at the residence where His Excellency the President will host the luncheon for his guests. And maybe lastly is to ask the people of Wajir, the people of Northern Kenya, and Kenyans in general to join us on the 1st of June. And we expect to start early, given the weather, but also the fact that every day at around midday there are always the prayers. So we expect everyone to be seated by 8 a.m. on the 1st, with the program expected to begin at exactly 9 a.m. Thank you.
Tume kaunti ya Wajir tubie kaunti ya Murang'a. Gikundi kimwe kia mbeũ njĩthĩ kaunti ya Murang'a na arĩa marakurikana ta the Youth for Ruto 2027 movement ni matarĩirie mũrugamo wao harĩ kũnyita mbaru ũtongoria wa President Ruto itinĩ rĩa kerĩ harĩ gũcagũrwo mwaka-inĩ wa 2027. Magĩtongorio ni Otieno Okov ni matarĩirie wĩrutĩri wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza harĩ gũkinyanĩria gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa bũrũri. Oho maugĩte nĩ meretĩra thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia waki wa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka tabarĩra ingĩ.
YR27 hoye. The initiative YR27 is our own movement. It's our own led initiative. We are not under the pocket of any politician or under the influence of any politician in this country. Our mission is just very clear. It's just out of what we see going on, the political landscape of this country, that we are out here to set the pace for the Kenya Kwanza government and the UDA to make sure that it gets the second term. Because we are seeing the opposition is meddling in very cheap and petty politics that we can't allow go. They talk of the Gen Z, calling it one term. When you talk of being a Gen Z, you are seen as a one-term person. But this is something that we are not going to allow to continue. We can't be meddled into this such politics. My call to the fellow youths of Kenya, elections are coming in the year 2027. We are getting into a season of politics. It's time to choose wisely. It's time to make a good vote out of the card that you have.
We've seen fertilizer subsidy. We've seen expansion of digital opportunities for youth. And we are seeing the same youths create and promote contents which is abusive to the government and even the president. We want them to stop such behavior. We've seen in infrastructure across the country. We've seen the president support technical education and youth empowerment. We've seen the Nyota Fund. We've seen the Hustler Fund. We've also seen strong political diplomacy and national security efforts. We've seen economic reforms designed to create long-term sustainability. This is leadership focused on delivery. This is leadership focused on transformation. This is leadership focused on action, not noise. Kenya is not being promised progress. This is Kenya experiencing progress.
Tumesema ya kwamba shot ni ngapi? Mbili. Shot ni ngapi? Mbili. Si ya kwanza ni ya Kierere. Yeah. Na hiyo Kierere si ni yenye imetujengea affordable housing. Yeah. Si ni yenye imetuwekea SHA. Yeah. Si ni yenye imetufanyia vitu mingi kama students wa universities na kule kwingine wamepata madarasa na kila kitu. Yeah. Kwa hivyo tunasema ya kwamba tutapatia Ruto tame ya pili aendelee na kazi mzuri. And I am sure that Ruto has delivered much than the other presidents. You can be assured.
Yes.
Vijana power.
Power.
Mimi nataka kuinvite all the youths in Kenya. Naomba mjitokeze to support Ruto, to support government yake ndio tuweze kuendelea. Si ametengeneza employment ya youths?
Yes.
Si ni ukweli?
Ndio.
Kwa hivyo tunaomba mjiunge na sisi to support Ruto na tutaenda mbele.
Youth for Ruto power. Power.
Tiganisho maafitha a borithi mwena wa Nanyuki kaunti ya Laikipia na maitete rita ngirigiri cia Shang'a hamwe na njohi ingi iria ithite na mbere gukorwo ikinyitikania kienderio muingi na iria hitukitie thikũ cia wagĩrĩru. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa kwĩrwo gũikio ngono na gũkinyia igoti-inĩ na gũtuĩrwo na thutha ũcio igoti gũtua atĩ njohi ĩyo ĩkorwo ĩgĩitwo. Rĩu kamanda wa borithi sub-county ya Nanyuki Daniel Kitambi nĩwe wĩkĩte ndeto ĩno mũkonde tũrĩa twataririo makĩria nĩ mwandĩki witũ Maureen Wanjiru.
Maafitha a borithi mwena wa Nanyuki ni mathũkangĩtie kang'ara rita ngirigiri na njohi ingĩ iria cianyitetwo ikienderio muingi ihetũkĩtie thikũ cia wagĩrĩru na nĩ thutha wa ekwĩrwo gũkinya igoti-inĩ na gũtuĩrwo na igoti rĩraheana watho wa gũitwo kwa njohi ĩno.
Tumeweza kuingia Nanyuki police station kufanya destruction of illicit brews ambao zilishikwa zikamaliza mambo kotini na other expired products ambao ilikuwa na usio wananchi. Tumemwaga liters za Kagara over 2000 ambao zilikuwa zimeshikwa na zimeenda kotini na zingine Chang'a, pure Chang'a. And then kuna expired products ya pombe. Zingine zime expire 2024, 2023 na sikuwa kwa market. Kwa hivyo hiyo tumefanya leo tuweze kumwanga hizi vitu yote to destroy the whole because kesi imeisha kotini. That's why we are here.
Deputy County Commissioner wa Laikipia irathiro Patrick Muli augite amethondekire mathamĩire kaunti cia Nyeri na Meru na niko maramirugĩra na gũcoka kumitwara Nanyuki.
Tumepigana hii pombe haramu sana na niseme ya kwamba kiwango imeenda chini sana. Actually watu wengi wametorokea the neighboring sub counties na tumesema kama kamati ya salama leo tumesema tutaenda those neighboring sub counties tuweze kutoa hiyo pombe, maana watu wengi wamehamia wanaenda huko. Wale ambao tuliwafukuza pande ya Liki ya Majengo wameambia kwingine.
Kamanda wa borithi wa Laikipia irathiro Daniel Kitavi augite ruhonge rwa ucirithania bũrũri-inĩ nũranyitanĩra mbara-inĩ ya njohi kuria rũtararekia ekwĩrwo na faini nini ta hau gabere. Augite njohi ĩno makũmĩkinyĩra nginya kuria ũthondeki wayo ũtigarĩire.
The comment about the judiciary is that now we are working very well na tuko na cooperation pamoja kwa sababu tulikuwa na mkutano wa CUC na tuliharmonize kila kitu. So tunaona kwamba hizo kesi kupeleka pale kotini zinaenda kwa haraka na tunashukuru ile cooperation iko between the police ama the NPS and the judiciary.
Handũ-inĩ ha kiheotv njĩtagwo Maureen Wanjiru.
Ngabo Maureen Wanjiru nĩ gũteithania icio ciĩgiĩ njohi thũku mwena ũcio wa Nanyuki. Na mwĩroreri tũkwamba kũhũmũka o hanini tũko tũgĩcokeria na mohoro mangĩ ndũgathiĩ haraya.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera ofici-inĩ citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya 5 barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Hihi nĩ ũrĩ waikio ngono nĩ abithaa wa birithi na ndũmenya kũnyitĩra kĩ? Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũĩ ihoto ciaku na hihi nĩ ũĩ atĩ wagi wa ũmenyo ndũngĩkũgitĩra kĩwatho?
Gatiba na watho wa bũrũri irabatara ũtaũku wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ona kũrĩ ũguo nĩ tũrĩkoragwo na gĩikaro na mawakiri matiganĩte tũngĩkũhe mweke wa gũkũrana ũrĩa watho ugĩte igũrũ rĩgiĩ ihoto ciaku, na oho tũgagũthomithia maũndũ marĩa ũbatiĩ na ũtabatiĩ gwĩka kĩwatho. Tũgagũteithia gũthathaũra ũrĩa watho ũroiga ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ ũramati na ũgai wa indo, wandĩki wa will na ũrĩhi wa magoti, gatagatĩ ka mangĩ maingĩ.
For the first time nĩ tũkũreheire tabarĩra ĩrĩkoragwo ĩgĩkuruhania maũndũ maya mothe. Tabarĩra ĩno ya mwanya ũkareherwo nĩ Francis Wairura. Nĩ mũthenya wa kana ga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Joe na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi Joe na mi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukauranira thini wa wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ. Haha tugakorwo tukiarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa maratuhutia ithuĩ ta mbeũ njĩthĩ, marĩa mega tugakorwo tukihĩmbĩria, namo marĩa moru tugakorwo tukiruga.
Enjoy your youth, but don't forget you'll be judged by what you did when you are enjoying your youth. By the way, ona gokiugo kiugite
ngakunengereria kirungo kia mbere nikio the talk table. Haha ngakorwo ngikunengereria kiugo kia mwathani undu umwe na ndereti mwaki ya muthenya.
Let me tell you, the word says mwathani ni akoragwo hakuhi na aria ngoro ciao ciamĩte na ni akoragwo akimahe kirigiriro kieru.
Ngakunengereria kirungo gia kiri nikio the freestyle arena. We washia kinya
ngenaga ni uria ndaimereire gwaku muthenya ria ndatururire werũ-inĩ nĩnjũĩ njĩra no ĩtware mũndũ kũu.
Nawe washia kĩrĩu
baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality. Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality.
Nitenagĩra na niĩ Joyce Wanjiru wa Mwangi, the smiling ambassador. O juma shahada thaa 9 nginya thaa 11 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kũrĩa tugaga nĩkĩo kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Reke tũgĩe karibu.
ino nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri na ngũnyita ũgeni gĩkĩrĩka ritũ rĩa mohoro Kabiru Thaa Imwe tũgĩcokereria nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru rungu wa ũtongoria wa gavana Isaac Mutuma nĩ ĩkĩranĩire ngirimiti harĩ mendekithia mana gatagatĩ-inĩ ka ngwatanĩro inya cia maabitha a ũrigiti na kũrĩa maugĩte muoroto wao nĩ kũgacĩrithia motungata magaciru ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ mathibitarĩ-inĩ mothe ma mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩyo o ũndũ ũmwe na kũnina mĩgomo na ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhanĩka mahinda kwa mahinda na gũtiga arwaru makĩhereka mathibitarĩ-inĩ matarĩ na wa kũmarũmbũiya. Kũrĩ ũguo nĩ morĩtie minista ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ agacĩrithia ũgitĩri kũrĩ maabitha a ũrigiti mathibitarĩ-inĩ.
We were in Meru together with other fellow leaders on a very, very important occasion, that is signing of recognition agreement between our unions and the county government of Meru. Comrades, power! Governor Mutuma, hoye! And we want to take this opportunity to thank and sincerely thank Governor Mutuma and his administration. For the first time in this country, we are having a county, one county signing 4 recognition agreements with the trade unions in this country. Hakuna siku utaona mgomo Meru, because Meru tumekaa hapa na tumekaa na governor na tumeelewana na CS ya kwamba we are going to agree on very important issues as we go forward. Honorable Murkomen, the union is demanding that you send all the organs, the DCI, the intelligence organs, to Bungoma County to ensure that we unearth all those issues that we're actually seeing in Bungoma. We want our comrade, that's the way he was murdered. We want justice for Pascal.
There isn't any other organization, no other county that has signed this. So I would like to say that this has happened because of the good environment, the conducive environment that has been created by our governor, Governor Reverend Isaac Mutuma, who has brought all these people, Meru, the organization, the staff, and everyone else together on a negotiation table and agreed that we needed to recognize these trade unions because we cannot have a disintegrated workforce that is not able to come on table for negotiations. So today it starts a milestone, it marks a milestone which puts in place a channel for recognition, a channel for consultation, a channel for negotiations.
In Mount Kenya East, Meru is the first county to sign a recognition agreement with Kenya National Union of Medical Lab Officers.
I want to appreciate our governor because this has been a journey and you know the journey that we have walked, and it wasn't as a result of lack of goodwill from the bond. We tried many times, and because at the bond we do not have a legal officer, we mainly relied on our legal department. We could request for legal advice or information because an agreement really contains a lot of legal matters, and we couldn't really get anything back.
You people, especially while I'm talking outside Meru, I am sure you are noticing some difference. If you had come in Meru maybe 2 years ago, na ukikuja saa hii, hiyo goodwill yote unaona ya kunyenyekea na kusikiza unionist. Sio kuona ukiangalia mtu unaona, you know, some people feel that ukifika pale unasikia kama umeclimb the tall rock tree. Again, it is very toxic, it can be dangerous because it is all about these people we are serving. We thank His Excellency our Governor.
Together,
tugitigana na icio ni ati tubie kaunti ya Nakuru na kuria Margaret Nekesa mwambĩrĩria wa muciĩ wa ciana cia ndigwa Smile Community Center mwena wa Soweto ehotete kugomithania muciari na mwari wake Janet Akinyi ũrĩa wa mĩaka 21 na ũrĩa worire mĩaka 4 mĩhĩtũku. Nyina wa Janet no ũrĩa ũremereirwo nĩ kũhimba gĩkeno gĩake nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa mwari aumire muciĩ marĩ na mũndũ wa family marĩ na mũbango wa gũthiĩ Nairobi gũthomera thukuru ũmwe wa kobi cia moko na ũrĩa wacokire kũmũtiganĩria kana gũtiganĩria Akinyi Toi arore naku. Akinyi akoriwa getho uteithio wake ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Soweto na kuria onire uteithio wa gutwarwo muciĩ-inĩ ũcio wa ndigwa wa Smile Community Center Kayore. Kuria ũguo nyina wa Akinyi nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa thabarĩ yake yakoya ũrĩa akoretwo agĩetha mwarĩ kũndũ gũtiganĩte.
Mi kwa majina naitwa Rosa Tieno Ruko. Nimetoka upande ya Nakuru. Huyu mtoto wangu anaitwa Jena Kinyi. Alipotea 2022 December date 30. Ndio alikuwa na kijana rafiki yangu, alikuja na yeye huku town na huko Nairobi. Akisema akuja na yeye atamuangalilia kazi kidogo ya kushona ama saloon. Sasa nilimpea mtoto akuje naye huko. Sasa mtoto vile ilipotea, mimi akiniambia mtoto amepotea ilikuwa date 30, ilikuwa December 2022. Akaniambia ametoka kazini na ameingia kwa nyumba na amepata mtoto hayuko. Sasa ananiuliza kama mtoto amekuja Nakuru. Nikamwambia sijaona mtoto Nakuru. Akaniambia ametoka job na bibi yake na hajaona mtoto, hajaona Jeni. Mimi nikamwambia Jeni hajakuja Nakuru. Sasa akaniambia alienda kuriport penye waliishi hapa Umoja 1. Sasa alireport kwa police station ya Umoja. Sasa akakuwa akitafuta. Sasa mimi naye nilikuwa nikitafuta na nikiomba, nikasema Mungu, kama ni mtoto yangu, nimejua siku moja utanirudishia kama ni mzima. Huyo naye ananiambia anatafuta mtoto. Mimi naye niko na watoto ya vijana ya dada yangu hapa Nairobi. Pia alikuwa amepiga mapicha akaweka kwa mapost. Tukachukua hiyo namba tukapiga. Tukaongea, waliniongelesha watu wengi na nilikuwa na furaha kabisa. Nilikuwa na furaha, hata saa hii niko na furaha, hata sijui niseme nini. Juu watoto hiwa wanapotea na hiwa inapatikana kama amekufa. Na mimi naona Mungu amenipenda. Mtoto yangu alipotea mwaka 4 yote na nimepata kama ni mzima.
Picha ya mtoto, isi picha watu upika, soya kupika mtoto picha. In case of anything hiyo picha utaitumia kutafuta mtoto wako. Na utaandika jina ya mtoto, miaka, vile alikuwa amefaa the last time akitoka. Spread social media saa hii siko ni rahisi sana. Hiyo picha ikifika kwetu sisi, tuseme watu wa home, kama niko na huyo mtoto, itakuwa ni furaha kwangu. Sababu kuna watoto wengine hata hatujui kabisa. Hatujui na sisemi wengine. Huyu mwenye ako hapa ni mmoja wao na wengine wenye wako hapa ndani wenye hatujui kwao kabisa, hatujui watu wao. Tafadhali, mtoto wako akipotea, usirelax kutafuta, usigive up.
Tugitigana na ripoti yo igie maibari na gikeno ondo umwe na ni ripoti ya mwanya muno makiria ni atoko tugitiriha nayo mohoro maito ma ibarire mohoro magi tukurehera ona cihanda tha ithatũ tugena kiriko tuko tugicokereria na ni ngavo niwe watuhokana mathaa maku tuko tugikumenyithia mohoro tha ĩmwe Kabiru njĩtagwo Maureen Wanjiru nake mwavĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Maureen Wabui twakwendithia wĩra mwega wa tabarĩra cia Kiheo TV.